Today I'm going to be talking about screw feeder with the auger packing machine. Now as you can see behind me, this is the automatic bagging machine, vertical form fill and seal with a auger filler at the top, which is controlled by a servo motor. Behind me is the screw feeder, which is feeding the material into the auger. This is the screw feeder with the blender. As you can see, there are blending wheels inside, and right in the center, the material feed into the screw of the feeder is there. Now, when the blender moves and rotates, the material gets mixed and it is taken up straight into the top of the auger filler. Now the screw of the auger is controlled by a servo motor, which is there at the top of the machine. The servo motor, the advantage of using a servo motor is that we get a very precise control on the revolutions and the consequent weight which is being discharged into the pouch. Now these are the control panels. The control panel for the auger, and this is the control panel for the bagger. This is a collar type machine in which the laminate roll is put at the back of the machine. It gets formed into a tube. There is a vertical sealer, there is a horizontal sealer with a batch cutter, and the material is coming inside the tube from the auger filling machine. And now we will be running the machine to show you how the entire operation works. This is the rotation of the screw of the servo motor, which is rotating the screw inside the auger. Now you can see the bag being formed. Now I will explain you how the bagging operation is taking place at the back of the machine. This is the dancing bar which is keeping the material in tension, the laminate in the tension. Now this is the batch coating machine, which is putting the impact on the laminate for the batch coat. It is ideal for filling all sorts of powdery materials like powdered spices, chilies, and dhania, maida, flour, and maybe cake premix, some fertilizers or fine powders. This machine is ideal for filling powdery material because they have an easy flow characteristic and they can be dispensed very easily and measured easily using an auger filler.